Oh, hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I thought it's finally time for me to update my FEDORA bash script for the top things that I usually do after fresh install. And if you are interested, stay tuned. Okay, so I will try to go as fast as I can. There is not that many changes. Plus, I know many of you are using the Nobara Linux, which is again Fedora based. But for me, Nobara doesn't really work so well. And that's because I guess my graphic cards, my NVIDIA 1080, it's getting too old and the drivers don't work. So of course I came back to the Fedora. So let's start over. Usually I would recommend you to go to the code and download the zip file, extract it, of course. And before you run any code from the internet, even mine, I would strongly recommend you to inspect it, check it, see if you like something, see if there is something that bothers you. For example, let's open the first part. This is the basic stuff that I included. Those are from the RPM Fusion website. There is an NVIDIA install here and couple other media and sound packages. Those are the one that I'm going to use, plus there is a Flatpak. This is the real Flatpak, not the one that was coming with the Fedora. Another thing I like to point out, as you may have seen, I'm using the GNOME version currently, but I do have and I do play it a little bit with the KDE version as well. So when you install these packages, especially here, this is the GNOME extension app plus the GNOME tweaks. This helps you customize your GNOME version, but for some reason, if you are not running the GNOME version, I would strongly recommend you to comment this out, because if, for example, using the KDE version, if you install this package, there is a huge chance that you are installing the GNOME desktop environment as well. I just wanted to point this out. Okay, so let's save this. If you go to the remove section, there is a couple of packages here that I'm not using. Those stays the same. I don't really touch anything here. But the main change is to the install. I'm not using the Sublime anymore, but I left it here just in case you still like it. You have just the option to uncomment every line here that you need to install it. Also, I have included the Meson package. What Meson is, this is basically a Ninja version, if I may say that. Plus, I have added the native packages of the OBS Studio, Kdenlive, GIMP, Kate, QBitTorrent for torrenting, Python 3, nothing all that special. And we are going back to the gaming package. This is my preference again. I have updated the line staging for the 41 version of the Fedora. And I have added couple more packages and gaming tools, included the Go overlay, the game mode, Mango Hut, VK Bus Out. I think those packages are really needed. I really like those. Okay, so mostly that's it. Nothing all that changed. I just added and improved couple of things. And the last one, this is the Flatpak version. I still leave this here, although I'm trying to use as less Flatpaks as I can. It's not that I don't like them. I really do, but to be honest, installing Flatpak packages, many Flatpak packages, it's a kind of a problem for me. I'm using the 60 gigabyte SSD for this install and it's getting filled up pretty quickly. So this is not really the best option for me. But I will still include it here. If you guys like it, just pick the packages that you are interested in and take out the one that you don't like. It's as simple as that. So how do you run the script? The first thing, you need to make the file executable. How you do that? The easiest way is just right click, go to properties and see there is an option here, executable as program. Just click it and that's it. That's all you need to do. So now you need to open a terminal here. Again, right click, open in console and run the script. You need a dot and forward slash 00 dash current and that's it. You need a root password for this and voila, the script has started. Obviously I have already run that to test it and nothing to see basically, but for you there is a lot of packages to be installed. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share with you. Just let me know what you guys think about it. How do you think I can improve this bash script? And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.